In this video, I'll show you how to add cross-filters in Salesforce Reports so you can analyze relationships between records without changing the report type. Start by opening the report you want to modify and click Edit to enter the report builder. In the Filters panel on the left, open the drop-down near the Filters header and choose Add Cross-Filter. Cross-filters allow you to include or exclude records based on related objects, such as showing accounts with opportunities or accounts without opportunities. After selecting the relationship, you can optionally refine the results by adding subfilters to the related records, for example, filtering opportunities by stage or activity date. As you apply the filter, the report preview updates so you can confirm the results match your intent. Cross-filters are useful for identifying gaps or relationships in your data without modifying underlying records. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.